Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna walk you through the process of setting up a fast and secure PSiphon server. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest content. Now, let's get started. Step 1. To kick things off, open your preferred browser and head over to the zVPN SSH website. This is where we'll be setting up our PSiphon server. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to locate the user label. It's usually found in the top navigation menu or on the main page. Click on this user label to proceed with the setup. Step 2. Now that you're in the user section, you'll see a variety of options. Scroll through the list until you find PSiphon. This is the option we need to initiate the configuration process. Click on PSiphon. Step 3. Next, we'll choose the location for our PSiphon server. This is important because the location can affect the speed and accessibility of your connection. Click on Create User to start this process. Step 4. A list of available locations will appear. Take a moment to select the one that best suits your needs. For example, if you're looking for a server in North America, select a location within that region. Step 5. After selecting your desired location, you'll see a Generate button. Click on this button to create your PSiphon server for the selected location. Step 6. Once the server is generated, you'll see essential details on the screen, including the hex key. It's crucial to copy these details accurately. Open a notepad or any text editor and paste these details there. You'll need them later to set up your HTTP custom VPN. Step 7. If you're unsure about setting up an HTTP custom VPN or zVPN for your PSiphon server, don't worry. I have a detailed tutorial video that walks you through that process step by step. You can find the link to this tutorial in the video description below. And there you have it, folks. A quick and secure PSiphon server setup. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Until next time, happy browsing!